This is a blank document. Watch what happens when I just talk. This is a tutorial on how to install and use the speech to note desktop app. That's it. 3 keystrokes. That's speech to note on Windows. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to install it in 2 different ways and how to get most out of it. One note before we start, the Windows app is in beta. Everything I'm showing works today, but expect it to keep improving. There are 2 ways to install. I'll show you both. You only need one. First, the fast one, a single line in PowerShell. Open your browser and go to speechtonote.com. Once you're there, hover over platform, then select Windows app. You'll find a PowerShell command. Click copy to copy it to your clipboard. Now hit the start menu, type PowerShell and open it. Now paste the command you copied from the browser. Press enter on the keyboard. Give it a moment while it pulls the app down and sets it up. Done. Speech to Note is now installed. If you would rather not touch the terminal, do it the normal way. First, open your browser and head over to speechtonote.com. Once you're on the website, hover over Platform in the navigation bar and select the Windows App section. On the Windows App page, click on Download for Windows to start the download. You may see a warning from your browser saying that the download was blocked or the file may be suspicious. Don't worry, since the Windows app is currently in beta and is still gaining recognition, some browser may show a security warning when downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the .exe file in your downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation. The app is currently in beta, so Windows may show a warning saying that it's an unrecognized app. You can safely proceed by clicking More Info and then Run Anyway to continue with the installation. Click Next. Next, and then Install. That's it. Speech to Note is now installed on your Windows PC and you're ready to get started.